Do hot packs cure back pain? Now, you might have heard about hot packs and their role in managing your back pain, or you might have used time during your episodes of back pain, or if you ever felt that your back is feeling a bit sore after a long day, and you may be wondering how that hot pack is helping you, or if it is actually curing your back pain. So let's get into this topic today. So if you are an executive mom and you're balancing your high stress job, your family responsibilities, your back pain can be a frustrating and frequent companion, really. And when you have looked for those simple solutions to relieve your back pain or to cure your back pain, I assume that hot packs might have been one of those solutions that have come up for you, because that's the one that came up for me. And that is when I started researching more into hot packs. So, in today's video, let's talk about how these hot packs work. Are they actually going to cure your back pain? What are the benefits of them? What are the different kinds of hot packs there are? And all this put together can help you make an informed choice about using hot packs for your back pain. All right, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Swati. I'm an executive mom power coach. I help moms of younger kids who work in high stress executive jobs to manage their spinal, that is back, neck, and nerve pain despite low energy levels and brain fog or lack of focus. Now, I do this by giving you simple exercises, some easy lifestyle modifications, some tips and tricks that have helped me in my own pain and adrenal fatigue journey. By adrenal fatigue, I'm referring to low energy levels and lack of focus. Of course, there are many more symptoms of adrenal fatigue, but these are the ones that I was dealing with. Um, so I do all of this without taking away a big chunk of your time, because hey, we're moms, we're busy people, right? So let's get into the topic for today, which is, do hot packs cure back pain? Now, hot packs, let me just answer it simply for you. Hot packs do not cure back pain. However, they are highly effective in providing temporary relief by addressing your specific symptoms. Now, how do they exactly do this? So, the very first thing is, when you apply heat to an area, there is an improved blood circulation. So, think about your blood vessels as flexible rubber pipes, and of course they're not, but I mean that's just a simile you can think of. So if you apply heat to a rubber pipe, it expands. Similarly, your blood vessels, they dilate or they expand a certain bit, and there is more rush of blood into the area. So there's improved blood circulation. There's more nutrients and oxygen that's coming into the area. There's more blood flow to the area. There's more washing away of the metabolites, the pain producing substances, and the inflammatory products. And that is how increased blood circulation would help to ease that back pain. Now, if you noticed, I used the word ease or relieve the back pain, not cure the back pain. Now, I will come to the cure part as well, but a little later. Another thing that happens is relaxation of your muscles. So, in this specific case, your back muscles or your spinal and back muscles. Now, when you apply heat to a muscle, there is always this easing of the muscle spasm or the tightness or the stiffness that you feel in your muscles. So that is something that's obviously, when you have relaxed muscles, there is reduced stresses on your spine and nerves, joints, etc. So the other thing that happens is pain reduction. Now, because of the increased blood circulation, because of the reduced muscle spasm, there is of course a pain reduction and pain or relief of pain in that area, in this case the back pain. Now, it is said that heat also stimulates your sensory receptors in the skin, which can block off the pain signals going to the brain. So basically, your brain will only perceive one dominant sensation at a time. So if, say, two sensations are coming in, which is pain or pressure, it will tend to recognize the pressure more than the pain. This works for therapies that include acupressure or massage therapy. The other thing is, if you have a cold sensation and the pain sensation going, you will feel that numbing cold, but it'll take the edge off your pain. Same thing for the heat back. So your brain will perceive that heat in the area in your back rather than perceiving the
pain. So it is not that the pain goes away 100%, but it just eases off that sensation of pain. All right, so what are the benefits of using a hot pack for back pain? Of course, it relieves that muscle stiffness, like we spoke about, because it relaxes the muscles. It eases the tension. So any if you have, say, a stress related back pain, a hot pack can promote that feeling of, or sense a sense of relaxation. It can help you relieve that stress related back pain. Now you might think, why is stress going to give me a back pain? Now, have you ever seen somebody who's stressed? They're always so tensed up, stressed or angry, right? So what do? You clench your teeth, you are all stressed in your jaw, you are all stressed in your spine. Now if you are going to create that sort of stress, physical stress because of mental stress, in your upper back and your neck, it is eventually going to, in the long run, going to affect your lower back as well, because your spine, or rather your whole body, it does not, nothing works in isolation. They all work in conjunction with each other, right? So the same is true for your spine. So if you are mentally stressed, it converts, sort of translates into physical stress, and that can give rise to stress related back pain. So anyway, going back, heat is also said to increase the flexibility of of the area, in this case your back. Now when your muscles are warm, they're more pliable, it makes it easier to stretch and move without discomfort. Now what are the types of hot packs? Yeah, so I was just looking at my notes. So we said we're going to talk about the benefits of hot pack, how exactly do they work, and the types of hot pack. Now a hot pack is a hot pack, right? You may say that, but hot pack, or rather heat therapy, can be of two types. They can be dry heat, they can be wet heat. Now in case of dry heat, you can think of all your microwavable heat packs, your the ones that you plug into the walls, so those electric ones, or like a hot water bottle. So these are all your dry heat. If you are getting into a sauna, a steam bath, or if you've been to your physical therapist and they have used a hydrocollator pack, which is basically dipped in hot water at a certain temperature, and then it is wrapped in terry towels and then applied to the body part, those are hydrocollator packs. So these are all wet heat or moist heat. Moist heat has a greater penetration than dry heat. However, having said that, it does not mean that dry heat is not as useful. It definitely is. It is more convenient. It is less messy. So in case you wanted to know what are the different kinds of hot pack, that is what we are referring to. Now, if you want to know more details about back pain, about how exactly back pain happens. Now, when you have pain, you have inflammation in the area. So, what is the relation between your back pain and the inflammation? If you want to know more about this topic, I have done a video on this, which I have included in a blog on, and the topic for the blog is the same, which is, do hot packs cure back pain? So in that blog, you'll find that video on understanding the connection between your back pain and inflammation. You will know more about the hot packs. You will also know which are the hot packs that I use and recommend when others ask me about it. It also has a couple of points about cold packs. And also, before we go, which is, this is also included in the blog. There is a free guide on what is the source of your back pain. Now, if you have back pain but you're not sure why you have back pain, or where is your back pain coming from, it can sometimes be a very overwhelming experience, and it can leave you in a tight spot. So if you have certain symptoms, they point towards different structures in your back. So we are not diagnosing here, but if you know, all right, my pain seems to be more disc related or nerve related, or joint related, joints in the back, so joint related, you can discuss this better with your healthcare professionals. You can think, you can read up more about it. You can make more informed decisions, really. So that guide is not meant to diagnose for sure, but it is a good guide which many people have found useful. So I have left a link to that guide in the same blog. I will leave a link to that blog in the description of this video. If you're watching me on Instagram, the link is in my bio. If you cannot find it, or if you're watching this sometime in the future, this video in the future, then message me and I'll send it across to you. Just mention, do hot packs cure back pain, so I know which video you're talking about. Alrighty, so in a nutshell, yes, hot packs do not cure back pain. However, they are a very useful useful thing to have in your toolkit, useful, I won't say modality, but a useful thing to have in your toolkit when it comes to managing and preventing, for that matter, managing as well as preventing back pain. Now, back pains, of course, you need to address the root cause, whether it's a disc related issue, whether it's your nerve, joint, as I mentioned, or whether it's spinal stenosis, whatever the cause of it, or maybe it's just a muscular imbalance or a poor posture. So you need to address those basic causes, and of course use a hot pack if you feel that it is going to help you with your back pain. Alrighty, I hope that was useful for you. If you have any questions, any comments for me, do let me know. I'll be happy to help you out, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.